Hi guys, welcome to Gate Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel, and in this video I will tell you about some important question, okay, and that is about like Gate 2022. Okay, I will tell you the all answers of this question. Okay, so guys, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. Okay, so all of you know that Gate Social Science paper, that is exercise paper, is very new. And so in our country there are a large number of students who are really brilliant student. So if they will get opportunity to take admission for any masters program and research program, okay, so they will do good, okay, after that. Okay, so that is why I am making this video, and that is why I am trying to spread this news all over the country. And my YouTube channel is trying to help all the students from for the remote areas also. Okay, so many students from many states, okay, are taking help for my YouTube channel, so I am happy for that. And please share this video with your friends. Okay, so guys, let's start. Give me 1 minute. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is some important question related to GATE 2022, and I will tell you everything about it. So frequently asked question. Okay, so this is the important section for GATE 2022. You can see this. Okay, so you can see this. So GATE and organizing institute is IIT Kharagpur. Okay, this is the logo of IIT Kharagpur. And first question: am I currently studying in third year BA, BCom, BSc, and am I eligible to appear for GATE 2022? Yes, guys. So it is big yes. So any undergraduate student currently in third year or higher years of any government approved college, okay, in engineering domain, technology domain, architecture, arts, commerce, science. So I am telling you guys, for these three domains who are doing their degree from a general degree college, not from any engineering college. Okay, so that is why this video will be really helpful, and please share this video. Many students of our country don't know about this, that the arts candidate who are from social science subject like arts, like sociology, psychology, and other humanities and social science domain, and commerce subjects, and economics domain, and general science student like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology domain, and all the students from this domain will be able to apply. Okay, they are eligible to apply for GATE 2022 exchange paper. So I am making this video, just I want to help you guys, and I want to spread this news that there are so many opportunities for arts and commerce students. Okay, so you will get the opportunity to take admission in IIT, the institute like IIT. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so next question. So I am currently starting in third year in BA, but through the parallel entry in the second year after finishing diploma. So it is very simple to understand what is the question. And I eligible to appear for GATE 2022? Yes, it is big yes. So the students who are in the third year, but they are like they are entering into third year after second year through like after completing their diploma. Okay, so there are so many diploma engineering college, so like polytechnic college. Okay, if they are doing their BE or BTech through parallel entry after second year, so they are also eligible. Okay, so this is very important, this is very important. Okay, so guys, so is there any age limit? It is a big question. It is a very big question, and many students ask me this type of question. So is there any age barrier? No, guys, it is clearly mentioned in GATE 2022 official site. No, there is no age limit. There is no age limit to appear for GATE uh, 2022. Okay, so one more important question is that, so are there any restriction on number of times to appear for GATE exam? Guys, all of you know that, so there are restriction, so how many times you are appearing for any national exam, uh, there are so many exam related to this, but in case of GATE examination, so there is no restriction, so how many times you are appearing for a GATE exam. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned that no. Okay, so one can appear for GATE examination any number of times. So I think all these questions are relevant question, and many question I will the answer of many question I will share in my next video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. And look, this is the final question for today. So can I appear any of the GATE papers? Although the candidates is free to choose any of the GATE papers, so up to two from the given combination. Already I have made a video that combination. Okay, so how the students can choose, or how the students can select, okay, their combination. Actually a student can apply for two papers. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned that the students is free to choose any of the papers and up to two, okay, from the given combination. Okay, so candidates should select paper appropriate to the discipline and qualifying degree. You have to check your qualifying degree, okay, otherwise it will be in vain. Okay, so this information I think will be really helpful. So this is all about today. If you need any help regarding GATE 2022, if you need any suggestion regarding GATE preparation for GATE 2022, so I am here to help you. All the best. Tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.